Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I am Arjun Patsarthi. And in today's market, we have seen all the markets doing very well. Equity markets trending is closed at record highs. gsec yields came down on positive inflation and global cues. And the rupee is also strengthening against the US dollar, again largely on global cues. In US Treasury market, US Treasury yields dropped. India CPI inflation, retail inflation headline inflation came in at 5.69%, below expectations, but still at 4-month highs. But more importantly, the core inflation, stripping of food and fuel prices, came in at 3.89%. Now, this particular inflation has been very sticky at over 5%, closer to 6% for a long period of time. And this is what is driving gsec yields down. Today, the 10-year gsec yields came down by 3 basis points to 7.13%. It should be trading at well over a month lows, and 5-year yield also came down. And in global central banks, China has kept the interest reference rates steady, but added liquidity into the system. And that also helped the bond large positive sentiments in markets going all around. And given that inflation is now, core inflation is down, there could be more positive cues for government bond markets. Markets will be awaiting the budget, the interim budget that is coming out in February. And do follow us on all YouTube channels. And look out for our gsec bond basket, where investors can invest directly into a portfolio of gsecs. All they need to do is just click on the basket and they'll get the bonds into the demat. They have to just make one payment, and all through the exchanges without any kind of a settlement risk. Thank you very much for listening in, but do not forget that corporate bonds do carry default risk. That is, the principal payment may not come or interest may not be paid out if the corporate is fundamentally bad. So investors should be aware of the risks before they invest in corporate bond. Government bonds obviously do not have any kind of a credit risk.
As a financial advisor, my biggest responsibility is to help my clients make the right investment choices. Now, with INR bonds, buying and investing in bonds for my clients is quick and easy. With my guidance on bonds, my clients are happy and I'm getting new business every day. Register as a financial advisor on inrbonds.com to help your clients invest and save better through bonds.